Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with all you eFootball 2025 fans. A brand new method that will let you get unlimited coins in GP, helping you build the ultimate team. I know it might sound unbelievable, but I've tried it out myself, and as you can see on my phone, it really works. I've got a massive amount of coins in GP, and the best part is that this method works on both iOS and Android devices, so no matter what you're playing on, you're good to go. If you're tired of grinding for coins in GP, or just want to fast-track your progress and unlock all the best players, this method is perfect for you. Make sure to watch the entire video and follow each step closely. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial and show you how to get unlimited coins in GP in eFootball 2025. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for eFootball and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.